In this video, I'm going to show you how to warp an image in Photopea. To begin, head over to your Photopea project and open the image that you want to work on. Once your image is imported, look at the right-hand side of your screen and make sure you select the correct image layer, because if the layer is not selected, the warp function will not work properly. After selecting the layer, navigate to the top left corner of the screen and click on the Edit menu. From the drop-down options, hover over Transform and then select the Warp option. Once you activate Warp, you will see a grid along with multiple control points and handles around your image. These points allow you to manipulate and reshape different areas of the image. You can now click and drag these control points to bend, stretch, or adjust the image according to your needs. Move each handle carefully until the image matches the desired perspective or distortion you are trying to achieve. Take your time adjusting the warp to ensure everything looks natural and aligned. Once you are satisfied with the result, confirm the transformation by clicking the tick icon located at the upper right corner of the screen. This will apply the warp changes to your image, and this is how you can warp an image in Photopea